The trouble code M5406 in the Bobcat loader indicates that the spool lock solenoid is shorted to ground, requiring replacement. The spool lock solenoid is either mounted on the hydraulic pump near the lift and tilt solenoid or in the joystick controller assembly, depending on the type of controllers. If you have ACS, you will have the spool lock solenoids in the joystick assembly, are responsible for the lift and tilt functions, and they are relatively easy to get to. Here's the diagram for the T770 model with simply manual controls, and the spool lock solenoid is right here in the charge pump assembly. Here is the diagram for the same T770 model, but with the ACS function. The solenoid is now in the joystick assembly. Anyway, replacing those solenoids is not a completely DIY job, and unless you have experience working with Bobcat hydraulic systems, you'd better find a mechanic who will replace them for you. Fortunately, the OEM spool lock solenoid is about $100–120. These parts help the machine safely lock the hydraulic equipment when you turn off the engine. Usually the M5406 code is intermittent at first, so when you turn off the engine and turn it on again, the code is cleared and you can work on your Bobcat, but over time this issue becomes more and more annoying, and eventually you may not be able to operate the lift and tilt functions.